Dear students, today we will continue exercise 5.3. Now this exercise is on HCF. What is the full form of HCF? Highest common factor. And what is the full form of GCD? Greatest common divisor. HCF and GCD both are same. HCF means highest common factor and GCD means greatest common divisor. Last day we have already learned the process. Today just we will apply that process, nothing else. All sums are similar. Just we will factorize the given number. After that we will find the common digit. Sum number B, part 1. Two numbers are given. One is 49 and another is 77. 7 sevens are 49, 7 11s are 77. Now see here, 7 and 11 both are prime number. When we are getting the prime number in this place, we will stop the factorization. So 49 equal to 7 into 7 and 77 equal to 7 into 11. So here 7 is common, 1 7 is common. So HCF will be, write 1 7 from here. HCF equal to 7. Sum number 3, 40 and 56. 2 20s are 40, 2 10s are 20, 2 5s are 10. All are prime numbers and 5 is also a prime number, so stop here. 2 20s are 56, 2 14s are 28. 14 is not a prime number, so you have to continue. That's why we are doing 2 7s are 14. Here 7 is a prime number, so stop here. Now write down the factors of 40 and these are the factors of 56. Now mark the common digit. 2, this one 2 and this one also same. So what will be the HCF? Write 1 2 from here, 1 2 from here and from here another 1 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 is the HCF. Sum number 6, 3 numbers are given. We will do the factorization of these 3 numbers. 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6. For 48, 2 24s are 48, 2 12s are 24. We can stop in this step. No, because 12 is not a prime number. We have to continue. When we will get a prime number at the last step here, that time we will stop our factorization. So 2 6 are 12, again 2 3s are 6. Now 3 is a prime number. Similarly 2 36 are 72, 2 18s are 36, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9. Now write down the factors of 12, 48 and 72. What we are getting from here. Now mark the common number. This 2 is common, this one is common. In 48 and 72 we are getting another 1 2, but in 12 we are not getting, so we can't mark. We are getting a common 3. So what will be the HCF? 1 2 from here, 1 2 from here and 1 3 from here. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 12 is the HCF. Sum number 8, 24, 72 and 90. These are the given numbers. Now do the factorization of these numbers. 2 12s are 24, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6. 2 36 are 72, 2 18s are 36, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9. 2 45s are 90, 3 15s are 45, 3 5s are 15. Now write down the factors of 24, 72 and 90. What are the factors of 90? 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. That you have to write here. Now mark the common number. Here 2 is common for all these numbers and these 3 is common. 1 3 and 1 2 is common. So write down HCF equal to 2 into 3 6. Next, sum number C, part 1. 225. Now 225 is not divisible by 2. It is divisible by 3. 375s are 225. If you have any difficulty here, then you can do the rough work. Divide 225 by 3. 3 sevens are 21. 15. 3 fives are 15. So here as a quotient we are getting 75. Write down 75 here. So divisor you have to write here and quotient you have to write here. After 75, again 75 you have to check by 3. Then you can divide 75 by 3 also. 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. Like this way you can do the rough work. 25. 3 25s are 75. 5 5s are 25. Here also 3 into 105 equal to 315. 3 35s are 105. 5 7s are 35. You can do this division in your rough work. Then write down the factors of 225 and 315. Here these 3 are common and this 5 is common. So what will be the HCF? 1 3 from here, 1 3 from here and 1 5 from here. So 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45. This 5 is not common and this 7 is also not common. So it will not be included here. So our answer is 3 into 3 into 5 equal to 45. Sum number 4. 7 sevens are 49. 2 35s are 70. 5 7s are 35. 7 11s are 77. Now write down the factors. 49 equal to 7 into 7. 70 equal to 2 into 5 into 7. 77 equal to 7 into 11. Now here mark only one 7 is common here. 7 into 11 and 11 into 7 both are same. I have written 7 here because if you write down 7 here you can easily mark the common number, nothing else. So HCF equal to 7. Sum number 6. 106. It is divisible by 2. 253 is a 106. You can do the division in rough work. 296 are 192. 240 are 96. 224 are 48. 212 are 24. 26 are 12. 23 are 6. Similarly, this is also the factorization of 96. Now write down all the factors of these numbers 106, 192 and 96. Here only 1, 2 is common in these 3 numbers. Here we are getting another 3 but in 106 we are not getting the extra 2. Here 2 is common and 3 is common but 2 and 3 is not common for 106. So we can't write this one. Only this 2 is common for these 3 numbers 1, 2. So HCF will be only 1, 2 from here. So HCF equal to 2. Thank you children.